Hello everyone, welcome to Dubai Housing. If you are waiting to buy a branded residences in Dubai Hills Estate, the opportunity is right just here. MR has launched recently a very branded residences, that is Vida Residences. Offering delightful blend of modernity and comfort, the project perfectly combines Vida's signature style of simplicity and creativity along with the elegance of Dubai Hills Estate. It is going to be a tallest building in the vicinity, that is 23 stories, and it is going to have only 217 apartments. If we talk about Master Community of Dubai Hills by Emaar, which is the vicinity of Dubai Hills and the prestige of championship of golf course. So every aspect of life is here with convenience and quality, whether it's leisure, shopping or sporting activity. If we talk about location connectivity of Vida Place, this is right in the center of Dubai Hills Park, which is spread over 1.9 million square feet of the total space. It is a place where you can jog, play volleyball, basketball and enjoy skating, etc. If we talk about the connectivity from the major locations, this is 8 minutes from Dubai Hills Mall, 15 minutes from downtown, 15 minutes from Dubai Marina, 20 minutes from Dubai International Airport and 30 minutes from Al Maktoum Airport and 10 minutes from Palm Jumeirah. Now let's have a look at existing Vida properties and their prices with Emaar brand, that is downtown and Dubai Marina. If we talk about prices, their prices 3200 and 3300 square feet dirhams. And if we talk about the current launch, that is Vida Residences at Dubai Hills, there the price is around 2300 and 2400 square feet dirhams. So more capital appreciation and good ROI, that will be minimum 8 to 10% in long-term rentals and 10% in short-term rentals. So price starting from 1.8 million dirhams for one bedroom, and we have 2 and 3 bedrooms starting from 3 million and 4.1 million dirhams, and 3 bedroom townhouses 5.9 million dirhams. Payment plan is 80-20, 80% during construction and 20% on handover. So please connect. If you want to explore an ideal project in Dubai Hills, we'll get you best desired unit. Thank you.